Using joins and subqueries. Using joins and subqueries are advanced techniques in SQL that allow for complex data retrieval and manipulation operations. Here's an overview of how they can be used. 1. Joins. Joins in SQL are used to combine data from two or more tables based on related columns between them. There are several types of joins, including inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join, which determine how the data from the joined tables is combined. Joins are typically used when data is distributed across multiple tables and needs to be combined to retrieve meaningful information. For example, net. Select orders.order_id, customers.customer_name, products.product_name from orders. Join customers on orders.customer_id equals customers.customer_id. Join products on orders.product_id equals products.product_id. This statement retrieves data from the orders, customers, and products tables, and combines them using join conditions based on the customer_id and product_id columns. 2. Subqueries. Subqueries in SQL are queries that are embedded within other queries. Subqueries are enclosed in parentheses and can be used in various parts of a SQL statement, such as in the select, from, where, and having clauses. Subqueries allow for complex filtering, aggregation, and nesting of queries to retrieve data in a more flexible and dynamic way. For example, SQL. Select customer_name from customers where customer_id in, select customer_id from orders where order_total greater than 1000. This statement retrieves the customer_name from the customers table for customers whose customer_id is present in the result of the subquery, which retrieves customer_id from the orders table for orders with order_total greater than 1000. Joins and subqueries are powerful tools in SQL that allow for advanced data retrieval and manipulation operations. They provide flexibility and versatility in querying complex data relationships and can be used to solve a wide range of business and data analysis scenarios. Using aggregate functions and grouping. Aggregate functions and grouping are commonly used in SQL for performing calculations on groups of data. Here's an overview of how they can be used. 1. Aggregate functions. Aggregate functions in SQL are used to perform calculations on sets of values and return a single value as the result. Examples of aggregate functions include count, sum, avg, max, min, and group_concat, among others. Aggregate functions are typically used with the select statement to perform calculations on columns of data. For example, SCSS copy code. Select count as total_orders, sum order_total as total_sales, avg order_total as average_order_total from orders. This statement calculates the total number of orders, total sales, and average order total from the orders table using the count, sum, and avg aggregate functions, respectively. 2. Grouping. Grouping in SQL is used to group rows with similar values in one or more columns. Grouping is typically used in combination with aggregate functions to perform calculations on groups of data. The group by clause is used to specify the columns by which the data should be grouped. For example, net copy code. Select product_ID, count, as total_orders, sum, order_total, as total_sales from orders group by product_ID. This statement groups the data in the orders table by product_ID and calculates the total number of orders and total sales for each product using the count and sum aggregate functions, respectively. Aggregate functions and grouping are powerful tools in SQL that allow for performing calculations on groups of data. They are commonly used for generating reports, performing data analysis, and obtaining insights from large datasets. Proper use of aggregate functions and grouping can help in summarizing and analyzing data efficiently and effective.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.